Put a rock on your rock pile. An encouraging word from God's Word, the Rockpile. Today's rock from God's Word we find in Ezekiel chapter 36, verses 25 through 26. Then I will sprinkle clean water on you, and you will be clean. I will cleanse you from all your filthiness and from all your idols. Moreover, I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit within you. And I will remove the heart of stone from your flesh and give you a heart of flesh. That was Ezekiel chapter 36, verses 25 and 26. A rock from God's Word for your rock pile.